That is a bear.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
More giraffe.
More giraffes.
Bear.
And a bear.
Cute.
Goats.
For now.
Goat.
But think about how
Pig.
much better our friendship
Mama pig.
we added
Monkey.
doing it.
And this one.
Seriously, I know our marriage is fake, but there's something between us, and I think we should give it a shot for real. I just don't feel that way.
Lion.
What are baby lions called?
I'm sorry.
Lion. A
Cubs?
lion.
Are they called cubs?
Lion.
Where's Elmo?
Right there.
Where's Zoe?
Right there.
Oh. How many lions are there? Can you count them? 4 is right. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What's on the next page?
What's that?
That's a sea lion.
What's it?
That's a sea lion. Where's Elmo?
Right there.
Where's Zoe?
Right there.
Where's the ball?
Right there.
Oh,
Catching.
he's catching it. That's right.
A guy.
Yeah, sky.
Pink.
Okay.
A giraffe.
A giraffe.
More goat.
More goats.
A giraffe. A giraffe.
What is Elmo saying down here? What does that say? Elmo loves the zoo, said Elmo.
Goat. A goat.
Yep. What's on the next page?
Oh.
Want me to hold it? They're right there. I see them. Yeah, they're dancing.
Come. One. Come.
Count? Oh, Dad is going to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind counts. Kind count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, 8.
Lion.
They multiplied.
Are they everywhere?